What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It is Wednesday morning, 9:26. So a few minutes till the market opens. Let's go ahead and look through what's going on, what might be on the table today. So let me go over to this monitor here. We got TradingView open. So quick look at this big picture stuff. Weekly, we're above the 9 and the 20. We are coming into some local resistance here. We have the breakdown candle, previous candle low there, high from here. So definitely a level of interest where you're going to see some sellers showing up at this 1543, right around there or so. So we already opened the next day for NASDAQ since it opens at 6 o'clock in the evening. And we did come up a little bit, coming back down. So wouldn't surprise me to see us start making our way back down here. We also, just a simple trend line, really, just the tops here. We're coming back into that. So something to watch. If we start breaking over this 43 level, then there's potentially room in here to start moving up towards 600, 700, 800. So we'll watch for that. But I definitely would consider us top of the range in terms of this trend that we've been in here. So normal settings, I think we'd come back down some today. We're not going to predict. We're just going to react to what the setups are. But I'll be ready for that there. So looking at the 4-hour here, we have some support down here, the 900s, down here at the 175s as well. So definitely an area we could see around the 100s. So really we're going to look for, we're kind of in a flaggish pattern right now. It is a bull flag. We are near the top, so we'll see what they do there. We are inside of it. They're holding the hourly support, moving averages right now. 30-minute, yep, so 30-minute short setup into that, coming back down into the moving averages, giving us a long setup. So right in the middle there, it's gonna open just above the moving averages, it seems. 5-minute. Getting a nice push back up. See, they might close it over the moving averages there. It might give us a 30-minute long setup at the open at 411. So we're going to watch for that there. We are in an hourly long setup. We are in a 30-minute long setup. That's something I'd be interested in taking it. We have the volume here, 411, and then just stop over 405. We can risk like 6 points there at the open. I wouldn't be too upset at that trade. Let's see if they can close good. Let's take a look at the 15-minute here. Yep, same thing, 15-minute long setup. 411.50, right where the 9 EMA is. Let's see if we can get that close up and probably take it off towards the maybe 430s into the highs of these candles here.
Order working.
I'm going to put our buy in right here. Right there. See, it's going to open.
Order filled. Order working.
Tag us in there. Don't usually take those trades at the open. I'm going to grab it, take that quick trade. Was I only on one account there? Let me adjust that. Sick. Yeah, I was supposed to be with 2 accounts.
Order working.
Let me try to show the account numbers and stuff. I don't know. done there.
Order
Alright, now
working.
there's one. Alright, so I guess that was 2 contracts with 1 account. That's kind of weird. Oh, we took the quick gains there. Definitely a nice long setup. Holding that hourly. This thing could fly here. Right up towards that 430 level. Yeah, nice long setup out the gates. Taking the quick profit there on that one. Little scalp with the 2 contracts on the 1 account. I don't know. I guess I didn't have it set it up for the copier there. But let's watch this. Let's see if we get another nice setup forming. And we'll see you guys on the second trade.
Order filled. Order working.
I'm going to try it short there. I mean, we are in a 5-minute short setup. If we break the highs here.
Stop filled.
Okay. We do have that hourly long setup down here around 50 if we could come into that, but they're going to keep sending it. Yeah, I mean, we're above everything right now, so if I can get the criteria for a dip to get long, I mean, that would be great. We're at an interesting spot because we're right at that level on NQ and NDX, which they need to get over here. A lot of strength though, so try it there with less than 1 hour risk. There's that 83 level right there.
Order working. Order filled. Order working.
I'm going to grab it there. Another really tight stop on this trade.
Order working.
Look for the cover into 55 here. New 5-minute candle about to open.
Order filled. Order working.
I'm gonna grab one there. We did open another 5-minute close within.
Order working.
Struggling right here. There we go. Getting a break. Looking for 67.75 for the first sell. And then looked down towards 55 there for the second one. Looks like they might shove highs here.
Stop filled.
Ended up running the highs. Didn't quite get the move. Didn't even get the 67.75, which was not even that far away. So looking across the board here, not really any long setups per se with enough criteria to get in on this. I mean, we're at top of the range. I could see this coming back into 55, the 50s. That's only the 5-minute 9 here. Same type of thing we always find ourselves in though, because like we're kind of trekking up slowly on the 5 on the 5 here, and I'm taking shorts, you know, counter trend again. Yeah, I have to look at that. Like maybe the trade here is no trade. Like, oh, there's no long setup. This reminds me of was it Friday? The slow 5-minute grind before Powell. I don't know. I'm looking at this, and to me, just looks like a short. I don't know. Based on where we are on the chart, top of the range, Trend line struggling here. Looking within. Like, if I can manage risk, tight stops, get stopped out, but then you get the move. Risk reward is there. Like, stop over 90 here.
Order filled. Order working.
Like, I'm gonna grab it there.
Stop filled.
Wow. Just continued strength. Yeah. It's like we're at levels that could reverse, but it's just grinding higher here. Waking up, waking up, waking up. Yeah, I need a trade with the trend. I can't be getting long here. There's not even a setup criteria to get long. It didn't come into the hourly. It's interesting. And sometimes the best trade is no trade. But tricky, tricky, tricky. I don't know. Looking at everything here, it just seems like we're going to get that move. I mean, the volume isn't anything special here. We're not getting some crazy breakout volume. But we are trending up, so coming into 15,500. Yeah, nowhere to get long. Unless you're long from like down here. But in here, there's nowhere to get long. Probably best bet, just sit on the sideline, I guess. All right, well, let's keep watching here. New 15-minute candle gonna open soon. I mean, we're now above the levels there, so long it is. Let's wait and let's watch for the next one. Getting that drop back down here.
Order filled. Order working.
I'm gonna grab this long right here. Coming into the 15-minute levels. Watching within here. If we start breaking below this candle.
Stop filled.
Continued selling under that 15-minute level there. Yeah. Man. Yeah, now we're getting that continued selling. 5-minute 9 right here. Coming back into the hourly, but after we already made a new high. If we can get that dip into 48 or about 50 right here.
Order filled.
Getting that dip there.
Order filled.
Multiples of 2. I mean,
Order rejected.
okay. Well, one account hit max loss on the day. Oh my goodness.
Stop filled.
Holy moly. Man, I feel like I've just lost. Like, what is going on here? What am I doing? What am I doing? You know, 5-minute levels right here at 30. Second guessing myself on everything. Just like, oh, let's try and trade the trend. Like, oh, we're retesting breakout area. Coming into 4-hour, coming into hourly. Oh my goodness. Like what? It's 10:20. Man, I had such a feeling that this thing was going short. It's like run it up, close it over the most bullish candle, not even on high volume though, and then run it all the way back down, coming back into levels here. This 2950 level. But it's like, I mean, at this point, we're freaking probably with commission 120 for max loss in that account. It's this, I don't know. It's disappointing. It's like, what are we doing? I've like lost what, I don't know. Five minutes still dumping back down. Hourly filling it. Man, such a good idea that we were gonna end up filling this hourly down. Such a good idea. We just had to run it up higher first. That's a shame. Now we're all the way back down here. Yeah, it's a long trend till it's not. Trade the trend till she throws you out the door. Yeah, I'm just getting caught up in everything. I don't know. Man. Getting tossed around and nothing. It's all on me. You know, I'm not blaming anything else. I'm struggling here. I don't know what happened. I don't know what happened. It's, I don't know. 5 minute coming back up. I mean, I'm nearly max loss at this point. I'm like, you know, got one more trade pretty much, but I don't know. Probably cut it there and just figure out what's going on. ES is now breaking support. Just got an alert there. Man, it's such a good feeling. This is gonna happen. I'm just getting so caught up in my counter trend. That's why I take those, you know, managing risk for the setup for it to happen, but just getting caught up in the hurting the trend and then just going against kind of everything that I've done before. But yeah, I mean, that's probably it. I mean, pretty much max loss on both accounts here. Probably just gonna call it and yeah, reevaluate everything. It's these last 3-4 days, whatever, just not been on it. It's been really poor. So it's pretty frustrating. But yeah, we'll see you guys tomorrow morning.